what my job is. I'm doing custom stage and custom stain, which is that what I do. And I came into doctor office to get, a shade match. If they have a crown, they wasn't matched. So that's what I'm doing. What I can do is depend on the. Sometime I come in to do the custom shade, which is I mask the basic shade, and then when we process, we done, and then we do go to the doctor office. Is when he put the crown in. If we need any corrector or any to be adjustment, any color need to be add, anything need to be adjustment, then I'm doing in the doctor office, and then I'm gonna bake in the oven. For 17, depend on the material, and it's come out, it's permanent. That's a permanent, and they look very natural, and you cannot tell that is the crown. I feel so good when the patient, some of the patients cry when they, cry when they came in because they say they've been trouble with, getting the right color, and they gotta go through the pains and all that. But then they cry when they walk out because they're so happy that they never had that crown, like their match without knowing to be a crown in there. So I have quite a bit. They very happy when they walk out.